How to create black bars opening and closing transitions in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Move the playhead to the start of your clip, click on the clip, and open up Inspector panel. Expand the cropping section. Set crop top and bottom to 540, and click on diamond button next to them to create starting keyframes. My timeline is 1920 by 1080. If I divide 1080 by 2, I get 540. Divide your timeline height by 2 to get the value you need. Move the playhead a second forward and set crop top and bottom to 0. Move the playhead to 1 second to the end of the clip and click on diamond buttons. Move the playhead to the end and set crop top and bottom to 540. Now we have opening and closing animations, but they are not smooth. To smoothen the animations, click on this curve button, then click on this drop-down. Select the first keyframes from crop top and bottom, right-click on one of them, and select Ease Out. Select the last two keyframes, right-click on one of them, and select Ease In. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.